Hi, I'm Mark, and this is the fourth video in our series about getting started with Python on the Raspberry Pi. This time we're going to be introducing conditions. Now, condition statements are useful because it means that we can make a program go down two or more branches depending on what the value of a variable is. So to show this, we're going to ask the user to input something, and then we're going to use a condition statement to branch one way or the other depending on what they typed in. So let's get stuck in. First, let's write some code to ask the user a question. Let's ask, what is Mark's name? We can test what the user inputs with condition code. In this case, it's an if and an else statement. So we write if my name equals Mark, notice the double equals sign, then we write a colon to say that if this is the case, this is what happens next. So if the input is Mark, we print, that's right. We also need to do something if the right answer wasn't entered. So we type else, and then a colon, and then we print something else. Let's save that and run it. So we're asked the question, what is Mark's name? If we answer the question wrongly, we get one answer. But if we run the program again, and answer correctly, we get the right answer. So there we are. We can use conditions to branch a program flow one way or another. The next video will be about using loops to control program flow.